Let's take a look at how to drain the water chiller. After we finished adding water, how do we replace and drain the water? First, we remove the vent screw from the vent port. Take it off. Then remove the drain port as well. We can also take off the drain port. Take it off. If you don't have this port, you can also install a tube to let it drain into the tank. For now, we can leave it uninstalled and just remove it first. Take off the hot port. When the main event starts, you can also install a plate or a tube if needed. All right, after letting it drain completely, there will still be some residual liquid inside. It uses liquid, which we need. Blow it out with compressed air. Of course, the compressed air should be set to around 1 bar. Don't set it too high or you might damage the tubing here. If it gets damaged, we can fix it. First, help us open valve 1 and then cold start, open it up. We can find a tube, connect one end to our drain outlet and the other end as needed. Yes, connect it to our drain. Of course, you can also use a flat tube because we've already drained it and there's not much residue left inside, so we can do it this way. That's right, it's draining. It seems like this, there's no water left inside. Once it's drained, just tap it a few times to clean it out and it's clean. Then we can plug the tube and restore the original main tube. Seal it up. Also secure the vent properly. We're done tapping it out.